Welcome, this video will show you how to install SciCompiler on your PC, how to download Xilinx Vivado, and activate your license, whether it's a trial license or a license with a dongle key. First of all, let's download Xilinx Vivado 2017.4. Search for Xilinx Vivado download on Google. Click on Vivado Archive. Scroll down to 2017.4 and expand it. Click on Web Installer for Windows. Login or create a Xilinx account. Insert required details and press download. As soon as download is completed, click on the installer file to start the setup. Log in with your Xilinx account. Select Vivado HL Design Edition. This is mandatory to use the DT1260 digitizer. Unselect all unused devices to save space on your PC. Specify installation folder and start installation. When setup is completed, go back to the Xilinx download page, open Vivado Archive, scroll down to 2017.4 and download the update package April 1, 2017. When download is completed, extract the tar file with WinRAR. Execute the setup file to update Vivado. Now Xilinx tools are successfully installed on your computer. We now download SciCompiler from MyCAN. Open CAN website and click on MyCAN. Log into your account. Click on MyCAN green button on the top bar. Click on SciCompiler and then on Download. Select the latest version of SciCompiler available and press Download. When download is completed, launch the setup file to install SciCompiler on your PC. Accept all default settings and press Next. UTIL file copy will begin. It's now time to install SciSDK, the software libraries and drivers to interface your readout code with the hardware. Install device drivers for both USB 2 and USB 3 devices. Now SciCompiler is installed on your system. Let's now start SciCompiler and complete the first startup wizard. Log into MyCAN in order to use online features like remote firmware compilation, start trial, or redeem coupon. You can also continue without login by selecting I want to use the SciCompiler offline. Now SciCompiler verify the license. If you have a dongle license, insert it now, connecting it to an USB port of your PC. A message will inform you that the license has been validated and you have full access to SciCompiler features. If you want to evaluate SciCompiler, you can click on Request Trial. The license manager will open and you can click on Request Trial. If your MyCane account is eligible for a trial, the trial will be immediately approved and it will appear in the License Manager licenses list. Go back to Login and restart license validation process. If you received a free coupon like this, you can copy the code on the coupon, press Request a Trial. Now press Redeem Coupon Code and enter the coupon code to activate it. The coupon will appear as a valid license. Go back to Login in order to restart the license validation procedure. If you need to use local compilation tool, you need to specify the location of the Xilinx Vivado and eventually of Altera Quartus tools. Press Test to validate the tools. Wizard is completed, you can now start SciCompiler. Let's now create an example project to check that everything is correctly configured. Expand a DT1260 projects and select IoTist. Create it on desktop. Click on Memory Mapping on bottom bar and press on Auto Assign in order to update all registers in the register file. Then in menu, Compile, press Compile to start firmware compilation process on your local computer. In less than 5 minutes, SciCompiler will complete the compiling process and a success message will pop up. Congratulations, SciCompiler is correctly working on your computer.